In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your gallery on Squarespace. Whether you're showcasing your photography, your art, or any type of visual content, Squarespace offers a sleek way to present your work. And I'm here to guide you through every click and tap of the way. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. It's the starting gate to accessing your beautiful galleries and the digital space where your creations come to life. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a login button. Click on that to move forward. After you've clicked on login, you'll have a couple of options for how to proceed. For a seamless experience, let's go ahead and utilize the Continue with Google feature. This is particularly handy for those who prefer to keep their web accounts interconnected and easily accessible. Now, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Go ahead and click on the account you've used for your Squarespace setup. This should take you straight to the heart of your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website by selecting it from the dashboard or visiting the direct link provided in the instructions. It's your digital canvas, ready and waiting for you. Now, let's get to the core of today's tutorial, accessing the gallery. Once on your website, look for the edit option. Clicking on edit opens up your site's editing interface, the control room for all the creative magic that happens on your Squarespace site. Within the edit mode, you're going to add a new section to your site by selecting Add Section. Squarespace's sections are versatile blocks that allow you to customize your site layout. Here we're focusing on adding visually appealing galleries. After clicking to add a section, choose images from the list of available types. This option lets you incorporate image-focused sections onto your web page, the perfect choice for gallery viewing. Your next click will be on Gallery View. This is where you'll decide how you want your images to appear on the site. Gallery View offers a streamlined and elegant presentation of your work, ensuring that visitors to your site can browse your images in a visually engaging manner. To personalize or update your gallery, click on Edit Gallery. This is your editing suite for galleries where you can add, remove, or rearrange images to keep your content fresh and appealing. Finally, to view an image within your gallery, simply click on the image you're interested in. This allows you to see each piece in more detail and to appreciate the finer aspects of your work. By following these steps, you've not only customized a gallery on your Squarespace site, but you've also created an inviting space for visitors to explore your visual content. Remember, the key to a great gallery is not just in the images you select, but in how you present them. Take your time to experiment with different layouts and styles to find the one that best suits your vision. And there you have it. Now you know how to navigate, customize, and view galleries on Squarespace. It's a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and engage your website's visitors. So dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun creating.